Hi guys, my name is Trinity and welcome to my channel. This is very different. I honestly don't know what to say exactly, but I am so excited and so happy that I finally have started my first video. I've been doing makeup for almost 3.5 years now, and I've been wanting to do YouTube for about 2.5. It was weird because I never thought I would get into makeup. I told myself I'd never get into makeup and never be those people that wear like full face. Here I am, full face. But when I started, I was just doing it for fun and kind of messing around. I got some makeup for my 15th birthday, and I just thought I'd play around with it and use it. But as I kept practicing, I started to get a little bit better, learn different tips and tricks for my face and what I like. So as I got better along the way, my family, especially my grandma and my mom, they're like my biggest supporters. They're the ones that really encouraged me to start this channel. But then my friends, even strangers, which was so surprising to me, strangers would tell me like, hey, you're really good at makeup, like, are you in cosmetology school, do you have a YouTube channel? A whole bunch of people would encourage me to start a YouTube channel, and it really made me feel awesome about myself. It really inspired me to do better and to keep practicing my makeup skills and to keep going, to not give up. I love makeup. I'm obsessed with makeup. I really hope I can make a career out of doing makeup because it's really fun. It's a big passion of mine. So I would have done this YouTube channel a long time ago. I've been wanting to do it for 2.5 years. But I was a sophomore when I wanted to do it, and I was still trying to get the hang of high school, and I actually just really wanted to focus on school and nothing else. Like, school was my main priority. I wanted to graduate first. Also, at the time and kind of throughout high school, I was very insecure and self-conscious, and I always thought negatively, like, oh, but if I start a YouTube channel, like, I get all these hate comments and people will be mean to me, people will make fun of me. And now that I've graduated, I feel stress-free and I feel better about myself. I'm less insecure. I have more time. Like, this is something I really want to do for myself. This is something that I want to have fun with. So I'm really excited to start this YouTube journey. I can't wait for the future and what it holds for me. So I hope you guys enjoy my videos and enjoy me. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. So for today's video, I did this green smoky eye with glitter liner. This is one of my favorite looks that I've ever done on myself, and I did this look for Christmas, and I kind of just winged it. I didn't know what the heck I was doing for Christmas, but I came up with this and I like really fell in love with it. The only difference is the lashes and the lip color. For Christmas, I did a red lip, a bold red lip, even though it kind of was just like too much. But today I did a nude lip because the eyes are already so intense and bold. So thank you guys for clicking on this video and for watching me so far. And if you want to see how to achieve this smoky eye, then just keep on watching.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright, so this is the final look. I am so in love. I was so nervous that I was gonna screw up today, and I'm so glad I didn't. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my first video, my first makeup tutorial. I had really fun recording this. I'm so excited to start my YouTube channel finally after 2.5 years, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like this look, or if you have any ideas of what I should record, or just comment anything you want. And if you liked this video, and if you liked me, and you want to see what I'll be posting in the future, and just to follow along with me on this journey, then subscribe down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye! That sounds stupid. Okay, what should I say? Oh, I can't talk. Okay. I just didn't want, I just wasn't, okay, I can't talk. What was I saying? Ever since I started